Hi, it's Liz. This weekend is Easter long weekend, so we're going to make some bunnies, and these ones are from the same design, but I do have a bunch of other ones, so I want to try them out. It isn't this type of pattern. There was other designs inside this pattern, so I want to try out some of the other bunny patterns. So I just used 2 pieces of felt with a tearaway stabilizer in the middle, and yeah, I just wanted to make a bunch more, so let's do that with me. Okay, so this is the Easter bunny that I was using. So this one actually has 2 files. So the bunny and all the information in the background is one, and then the ring around it, just because I didn't think the bunny on its own would be enough, and I didn't know if I could separate the background, like the flowers of the bunny, but I can. So each of those is a separate stitch. So this one I actually don't use that border. I'm using the 140 by 140 hoop size. I've already run these through, so the first and second one are just stitches of the bunny outline, so I don't actually need it because it's not like the main stitch that goes around the bunny. So I go all the way to, and just press the next button just down below here. I go all the way to the yellow color, which is number 6, and that's what's going to stitch out the bunny. And then I skip 7 and I go straight to 8 because 8 is the eye. If I wanted to do 7 and add like a pink little nose, I could do that, but I'm just trying to keep them really simple. And that's all the stitching I do for that one, so it runs it pretty fast. So I am going to have to see on the next files if they do all stitch out the same way. So I got my stabilizer on, I got a piece of felt on the front, a piece of felt on the back. So I used the 505 temporary adhesive spray to keep it secured. And I just put it kind of in the center and put it on. Kind of see where that bunny start is going to be and just let it run. So the bunny is done except for the eye, so I'm just gonna lift up the presser foot, and then on the machine I'm just gonna move it over to the next one, which is not 7 but 8, and then just put it down and start on the eye. So the bunny is done. That was pretty simple and easy. I don't know how long it took. It probably took maybe 5 minutes or something. I mean, I could always add more, but at this point, it just, I don't know, just really simple, simpler the better. So let's go ahead and choose a different bunny design and see if it's as simple as that. Well, I had really good intentions of just moving on from that pattern, but look at all the ones that I made. Okay, so now I feel like I'm done right now with this pattern. So I'm gonna go up to home and choose the grid size, and we're gonna change this. So okay, I'm choosing 140 by 140 millimeters. Gonna go back to my file. Gonna go to my USB. I think it's on the second page. Easter bunnies. Okay, so we're now on the Easter bunny page. You can see the one that I saved up there that I don't actually need. These ones are filled in Easter bunnies, or bunnies. They're not Easter bunnies. I don't know why I'm saying that, but you can see this is the first one I did, and there are 2 sizes as well. I don't actually remember what size I did. So I think I did the smaller size if I'm comparing it. Okay, so I found another Easter bunny that has no fill on the inside. I'm going to select the small version of it, and I'm going to press OK. All right. Okay, so I'm going to try that again. So I just went to number 6, which was actually like the first one that I did. Number 6 was the yellow, and it did the complete outline. I have a feeling it's exactly the same steps as the other one. So 7 is the nose if I wanted to do additional color, which I'm not doing. And then black is the eye. So 6 and then skip to 8. So I'm going to hoop up. So I've got my tearaway stabilizer, I got my felt on one side, felt on the other, and I'm going to start with number 6, and we're going to see how it goes. So I've got a black embroidery thread on the top and bottom. So that's a pretty cute bunny as well. It's pretty, I mean, it's pretty comparable to the other size, so that's good. It's just a different shape, like it's on its hind legs, but it's, I don't know, really cute, probably the same amount of stitch time, and just really, really simple to do. So the leaping bunny is very cute. Okay, so I like these little hoppers. They're good comparison size, like they all kind of go in a set. But this one is kind of oddly like different size, I guess because it's hopping, kind of hard to pick up. But also it's weird, this file for this one isn't separate, so I can't just go to like number 6 or number 5 like I can with these ones. It's like I have to go through the stem of the petals of a flower and then move it toward this to do the outline. So I don't know why it's so much smaller. So I only did one of these because I'm not too sure if I want to continue doing this one or if there's a better option for like a hopping one. But 3 are the ones I like so far. So if you're ever in doubt and you think that you might not have enough fabric for your piece, put your fabric on, put it on the hoop, put it in, and then click this button here. And then you can go, it's gonna go to this corner. So you can see you might need to move up your piece to that corner, to this corner, to that corner. And I can see on my piece when I go up to this corner that it's actually, I need to move my fabric down. Well, it looks like on the last page there's actually all the bunnies that are silhouettes. So I'm going to choose this one that is standing up. Oops. So I tried to choose this one, but it says it exceeds the hoop size. So this one looks even bigger. I just did that one. We do have that one, which I'm not crazy about. I have done this one. I don't think I've done this one yet. So that one exceeds the hoop size. So I'm going to change the hoop size to the 200 and have a look. And then try to do that one. It's like the bunny is eating. I'm going to press OK. So I'm going to still keep my hoop size in 140 and 140, and then I'm just going to move it down to where I think the outline is going to be. So I have a feeling with this one as well, if I go to number 5, it starts with the flowers, and then if I press this plus button, it'll do the flower, move on to the next flower, do that flower, and then it jumps to the bunny. So I'd have to do that every time if I wanted to do that. It's not really ideal. So I'm going to stitch it out just to see if it's worth doing it. So on the screen it is 200 by 200 the hoop size, but I used my 140 by 140. I used a smaller piece of fabric, but I actually probably should have used a fuller piece on this because the bunny ear is not on any fabric, it's just on the embroidery thread. But it is considerably larger than the other bunnies, so as you can see, but what I was actually thinking when I was doing this is that it could be like a mother bunny or a father bunny. So you could create sets for like a baby bunny and then a mom or a dad or family bunnies, which would be cute as well. But it is definitely a different stitch out than what I am doing right now. But I think they are really neat and cute, and there's just so many different sizes and little characters that go along with these bunnies. So I have it on the 200 hoop setting because I want to try this one. And I'm still going to use the 140 hoop, but I'll have to see because that does look pretty high. So I did add the little nose to the bunny. I don't know if I love it, but I think it's really cute. It is definitely on the bigger end, so like one of these is closer to that size. I was really worried that it was going to hit up here, but it narrowly missed it, so I think that's enough room. And I do have 2 pieces of felt for that one as well on front and back. But I think it is a very cute bunny. It'll be nice to add to the collection. I just don't know if the nose, because I haven't been doing the nose on any of them, if that it will stay. So I think I might do them without the nose, but it kind of looks a little bit incomplete without the nose. So I should have shown you before without the nose. So I don't know. There's this bunny that's standing up. There's this bunny that is eating. There's this smaller bunny that is standing up, no eyes. There's this bunny that is standing up. There is this bunny. Oh, are those the same bunnies? No. This one is sitting, and so that one's got the extra paw. But I will show you how many bunnies I have made. So these bunnies have really multiplied, and I've just been kind of sitting here at my desk just cutting them out while it's embroidering. So thank you so much for watching. Leave me in the comments any modifications or what kind of bunny you liked the best, which one was your favorite. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye!